Today I will be teaching you how to check out of your Airbnb. Let us get started. When your stay is over, simply follow these steps to check out smoothly. First thing you need to do is you review your host's checkout instructions. You can find the details in either the Airbnb messages from the host, the listing description, or a physical note or guidebook inside your Airbnb. Next is you basically do a cleanup. You can take out the trash if it is requested, wash the dishes, and do take note some hosts do not ask for this. Next is return your furnitures and items to their original places, and lastly check for your personal belongings. Don't forget your chargers, keys, etc. Next step is you need to lock up and return the keys if applicable, depending on what type of Airbnb you have rented. If you are using a key lock box, put the key back inside. For the smart locks, simply close the door. Next is, this one is optional, but it is recommended to message your host. Send a quick message like, hello, space your host's name, I just checked out, thank you for the great stay, etc. And don't forget to leave a review. Rate your stay from 1 to 5 stars and write your review. That's it. You're officially checked out. And if you like this video or if you want more videos like this, click like, subscribe, and don't forget the bell button. See you next time.